If you have two computers on the same Wi-Fi network, transferring large files between them is simple. In this video, I'll show you two easy methods to share files or folders between two computers using Wi-Fi. Now, these methods work for computers running Windows 10 or 11. Let me show you how. For the first method, we'll transfer files with the shared folder. This is the quickest and easiest method for large-scale files transfer between two computers. Here's how to do it. First, let's configure file sharing settings. Open the control panel and click on Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. From the left panel, select Change Advanced Sharing Settings. In the Private Network section, make sure Network Discovery and File Sharing options are both turned on. In the All Network section, turn off Password Protected Sharing. Now let's go back to Network and Sharing Center, and from the left panel, select Media Streaming Options and allow it. Next, we need to set up a shared folder. Open File Explorer, choose any location, and create a folder to share. You can name it anything you want. I'll name mine Shared Folder. Once created, right-click on it and click More Options. Select Give Access To and click on Specific People. From the drop-down, select Everyone and change the permission level to read and write. And finally, click on Share. Now go ahead and move all the files you want to share to this folder. I'll move this file, which is almost 800 megabytes. All files inside this folder will be accessible to other computers on the same network. Now to access the shared folder on other computers, go to another computer connected to the same Wi-Fi and open File Explorer and click on Network. You should see this message stating that the network discovery is turned off. Click OK, then click on the banner to turn it on. Then select Turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing. Now the shared folder will be visible and you can copy and paste the files to transfer them. I'll drag and drop this file to my desktop. Now later, if you decide you want to stop sharing, right-click on the shared folder, select Give Access To, and choose Remove Access. Method 2, transfer files using nearby sharing. Now, nearby sharing is a feature in Windows 10 and 11 for quick file transfer using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Before we start, make sure both computers are on the same Wi-Fi network and follow these steps. Open the Settings app on both computers and go to the System tab. Click on Nearby Sharing and select Everyone Nearby to turn it on. Do the same for the other computer you're trying to share the files with. Let's go to Settings, then System, scroll down and find Shared Experiences. Turn on Nearby Sharing for everyone nearby. Then scroll down and turn on Share Across Devices for everyone nearby. And then close the window. Now to share files, let's open File Explorer and select the files to share. Right-click, then select Share option. Click on the other computer in the pop-up window to start the transfer. The receiving computer will get a notification to accept the file transfer. And those are the two methods that transfer large files between two computers on the same Wi-Fi network. Choose the one that best suits your need. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.